Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at the incoming call with a custom video background with over-the-horizon ringtone sound on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now first, let's open up the phone application and we're going to set a video background. So I'm going to go into settings and tap on call background, choose a background, and I'll create a new background. So I'll select from a screen recorder right here and then set on as a background. So here is the incoming call.